Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with a really awesome video. I know so many of you have said that your store, no matter how you've contacted corporate, no matter what you've done no matter how you've explained to your manager, and that corporate told you no, which is not correct. I don't understand why they'd tell you no, because my district manager said it was totally fine. Don't know why your store would deny you, but this is awesome. Today, August 1st, we got a ton of new digital coupons since it's the first of the month, and a ton of them stack. They're overlapping with this 5 times digital we got going right now. So I know many of you say your stores look at the coupons and deny it, but actually, and I really haven't mentioned this much because we didn't have very many situations where we could do this, but if your store will not let you stack a manufacturer paper coupon with a 5 times digital, you can stack a 5 times digital coupon with a digital manufacturer coupon, and it works just fine. Your store can't tell you no on this because they honestly have no idea. When you hit pay now, both coupons come off. I'm going to show you on the receipt. I'm actually really excited to be able to share this with you all because I know I've gotten probably 50 comments over the last week saying your store has told you no and that you really haven't got an answer from corporate and that you don't want to cause problems. This is not going to cause a problem at all because your store, they can't really do anything about it. The digital coupons are going to come off. So, I went to Kroger today and I didn't use any paper coupons for this, or this, and they all stacked just fine. So let me show you an example. The Mott's fruit snacks. They're $1.99. We have a 50-cent off 5 times digital coupon, and we have a 50-cent off coupon that was released today. That is on the digital app. So what I did was I wanted to get these fruit snacks since they ended up being 99 cents, and then I had a Saving Star rebate for 50 cents. But I wanted to just try it with the digitals, and lo and behold, look right here. Mott's fruit snacks, $1.99. There is a store coupon, which is the 5 times coupon that took off 50 cents. And then there is a 50-cent manufacturer coupon. See right there? SCMC. 50 cents was the Kroger sale. 50 cents was the manufacturer coupon. I scanned my card, and both of them came off together. Like, no issues. They both came off for the Mott's, as you can see right there on the receipt. So when your store tries to tell you can't do this, you might not be able to do all the deals, but if there's a digital coupon right now for the Mott's, there's digital coupons for all this stuff. They all came off just fine. I'm going to go through the rest of the examples with you. The Uncle Ben's rice. They are $1.79. There is $1 on 2 Kroger 5 times digital, and there is $1 on 4 manufacturer digital. Well, look here at the Uncle Ben's. Let me find it. Uncle Ben's rice, for $7.16. It took off $2 for the $1 off 2, 5 times digital, so that came off twice. And then there's my manufacturer's coupon for $1 off. So there again, it deducted it off. The Betty Crocker potatoes, they are $1.25. I had a $2 off 4, 5 times digital, and I had $1 off 4, 5 times digital. Let me find that for you. Betty Crocker potatoes, right there. And the manufacturer coupon right underneath. Because I know some of you have thought it was like a glitch deal, and I was doing something wrong, and that this really isn't supposed to work. But as you can see right here, it is. This is Kroger's policy. A store coupon is a store sale. It's the same thing. All it really is for is, I don't know, I guess maybe they're thinking that it's going to do better limits. I don't know. But this is all it is. It's a store sale. So we always can use a coupon with a store sale. So it's the same thing for this. Now, finally I did the Pillsbury deal. I had $1 off 2 digital for this and $1 off 2 digital for this. But there currently is a 5 times coupon for 50 cents off of each one of these. So let me show you here about the Pillsbury. I took off 50 cents for each of them. So I bought 2 biscuits, so it took $1 off. And I bought 2 cinnamon rolls, and it took $1 off. But my manufacturer coupons for $1 deducted right underneath. So see, this is all working together in conjunction. Now, you can't just go, like, let's say the Old El Paso right here. They're $1.49. I had $1 off 2 digital. I just can't go using the $1 off 2 printable coupon with the $1 off 2 digital, because the $1 off 2 digital, see how it rang? It rang as an MC. That's a manufacturer's coupon. You can never use 2 manufacturer coupons on the same item. But if it rings up here as an SC, you absolutely can use the manufacturer coupon with it. So if your store is giving you a hard time and telling you you can't stack the coupons or whatever and that it's wrong, do this. Just go and do the digitals for what you can. There are literally, on my account, there were 2 digitals for this. There was 2 digitals for this. And how you can tell if you can stack them another way, it usually will say at the top 5X event, but click on the coupon. And if it does not have a mailing address, that means it's a store coupon, because Kroger's obviously not going to mail a coupon to themselves. So that will tell you if you can use a manufacturer's coupon with it. A manufacturer coupon will always have a mailing address. That's how Kroger gets their money back for taking the coupon. So yeah, I really hope this helps. I hope you all can get out there and get these deals. My Kroger deals video is on the way. I just wanted to bring this out to you all because this is like an amazing discovery. So get out there and get yourself some of these awesome, awesome deals. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.